Can you believe it is August already and time to open up our August monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth? I love opening these boxes with you guys and seeing what's inside. I just can't believe how quickly they come every month. Before we open it up, let me tell you just a little bit about it. It is a subscription. It is $45 a month and you can cancel at any time. And right now, you can stack 2 great codes to get this for an amazing deal. Like I said, the box is $45 a month, and Simply Earth has a deal where for your first box, you get $15 off. That automatically drops the box down to $30. But then I have a coupon code that you can use, THECRAFTYFREE with no spaces, and you can get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. So that means you can get your first box for $30 and get a free $45 gift card that you can use for other supplies in their shop. Isn't that such a great deal? Inside, you will find 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some extra goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. Along with your monthly essential oil recipe box, you will get the big bonus box. This is a part of the subscription. There is no additional fee or cost for this box. It comes with your first month and every 6 months after. This just happens to be the month that I get the big bonus box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm gonna break that seal. On the months that you receive your big bonus box, your monthly box will come tucked inside. It's right there behind some little papers that just tell you a little bit more about the products that Simply Earth has to offer. Here is our August essential oil recipe box. It comes tucked inside. The contents of the big bonus box is beeswax, and you will notice it is 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. Coconut oil. This is the cold pressed. I think of it kind of like shortening. It will melt when heat is applied, but it is more of a solid oil. For carrier oils, we have fractionated coconut oil. This is the liquid oil and almond oil. There are also 6 amber glass roll-on bottles because every month you get a roll-on recipe, and 6 amber glass dropper bottles because every month you get a diffuser recipe. The diffuser recipes are my favorite. And one last thing I want to mention about Simply Earth before we open up our August box is that 13% of their profits go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just with their subscription box, that is site-wide. And I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. I'm gonna grab my knife and break that seal, and let's open it up. Yay! I'm going to start with the oils, and don't worry, of course we have to smell them. We have lava. This is an essential oil blend. Every month you get at least one essential oil blend that is exclusive to Simply Earth. And this month is lava. I really like that. It's kind of pepperminty, but not too strong of a peppermint. This smells really good. Cassia. It's a much deeper scent. Not super sweet, kind of woodsy, and really good. I like that. And I am really bad at explaining how these smell, so you really should just get the subscription for yourself. We have lemon eucalyptus. I can smell the eucalyptus and I can smell the lemon. It smells exactly like its name states, lemon eucalyptus. Orange is one of my favorites. Yep, smells like orange. I love that citrusy smell. Now let's take a look at the extra goodies that we have. We've got some floating candle wicks, a DIY candle kit. Ooh, I'm starting to see a theme. Some beeswax sheets. And this is a wick placement stick. I definitely think our theme is candles. This sheet right here, you will not get this. I get this as an ambassador for Simply Earth, but I will go over it with you in just a moment. Then we have a little information sheet about some of the products in their shop. Let's take a look at their recipes. We have volcano floating candle, warm honey beeswax sheet candles, lemonade stand candle, autumn ambience diffuser blend, love the diffuser blends, sunny days roll on, and summer spice wax melts. And then we also have our sheet of matching stickers. As you can see, let me get one out here. The Sunny Days roll-on label that will go on that roll-on bottle from our big bonus box matches our lemon eucalyptus bottle. I just love it when everything matches. We also have our top of the bottle stickers so that if you keep your oils in a box or container, you don't have to lift each one out to see what it is. You can just identify it by that top of the bottle sticker. I'm going to come back to this sheet that came in our kit, and August theme is candles. Then it goes over what comes in the box. And my favorite thing is on the very back where it says the value of the box is $109.27, and you get all of that for only $44.99. And technically you get all of that for $30 plus that free $45 gift card when you use the code THECRAFTYFREE. That is such a great value. Make sure to go to simplyearth.com and enter in that code THECRAFTYFREE for a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.